Let me ask you something. Both charts reached support. One bounced immediately. The other completely failed. So why did one get rejected fast and other went sideways? In previous episodes, we learned support and resistance. But here's something many beginners don't realize. The market doesn't always respect a single price. It often reacts to an area. When buyers step in aggressively, price doesn't stay at support for long. It gets rejected. Think of rejection as the market saying, lower prices are no longer attractive. The faster price leaves an area, the stronger that rejection usually is. Your turn. Which chart shows stronger buying? Chart A or chart B? Chart B. Strong rejection usually has 3 clues. Price leaves quickly. Momentum increases. Buyers take control. Weak rejection looks different. Price hesitates. Momentum fades. Neither side is in control. Let's test your eyes. Can you spot the strongest rejection? Then compare it to another weak rejection nearby. Notice the difference. Many beginners buy simply because price reached support. Professional chart readers wait, not just for the level, but for evidence that buyers have actually arrived. Support doesn't create buyers. Buyers create support. The next time price reaches support, don't ask, will this level hold? Ask, how is price reacting here? That single question will teach you more than drawing another line. If you're learning chart reading from scratch, subscribe to the Chart Reader. Next episode, we'll learn why most traders draw trend lines incorrectly and how professionals keep them simple. Until then, read the chart, understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.